TFT color display.
Yeah.
We have road, rain, off-road, rear ABS disabled. We have 4 different maps for the engine. Everything is controlled here. You have cruise control. So for Moto Guzzi, if you're familiar with Moto Guzzi, you'll notice a huge difference. This is definitely a turnaround.
I was just telling him at time of launch we'll have a high windscreen, a turning screen. We'll have riding lights, crash bars, center stand, an Olin shock, exhaust. Also, there's a module that goes under the seat that then you'll be able to link your phone through Bluetooth
The platform.
and and run your navigation through the dash. Also, it's already pre-wired. You can see the button here for heated grips.
Oh, okay.
So all that stuff will be
It's all available
at time of launch. I don't know if Massimo told you that production's going to be pretty low.
Oh yeah, we did.
So and these turn signals are going to have to be a little bit bigger for US spec. Other than that, very similar. It is a EU4 standard bike, so believe it or not, the California Air Resource Board, the carb versions aren't going to be as anemic as the EU standards.
Wow.
So down low, because of the European emissions, they're a little bit anemic. The California, you know, like the US spec will actually be a little bit peppier. But the thing about these bikes is they've really done a lot of work, even though they share similar displacement and, you know, visually they look the same. The internals have been lightened. You're getting 25 more horsepower and 1,000 more RPM out of this motor than you are out of this one. And you guys will be able to see that back to back.
Awesome, okay.
So this has the riding modes, like I said. You're going to be happiest just leaving it in the road, you know, the row mode. But you know, I can go over all the functions when you guys come back.
Okay.
And then you guys can get on other bikes and we go back.
All right. Okay.
All right. Go. You guys ready? What's cool is it goes away. You know, as the RPMs come up, and how quickly you're gonna love how quick this steers in. It's actually a very nimble bike.
It's pretty nice. vibration. The engine.
It's the character of the Guzzi. We call it, I call it the Guzzi soul.
Oh, I like it. I like
So
it.
it's like kind of a flat twin, like BMW. You feel the pistons.
Yeah.
And of course, it's a between, so you'll have, no matter what, a little bit of vibrations.
Yeah.
But pretty much similar engine.
Similar engine.
And how many cc?
850,
Yeah.
850,
Same?
55 horsepower, 80 horsepower.
Oh,
This is the new platform. The
this
new,
one is much more powerful.
Oh, yeah, the same engine, but in issue is different, right?
Yeah. So this is the latest platform. So the latest engine is going to be the platform for future models as well.
Oh,
So they came out with 50 more horsepower.
Yeah, this one.
the mirror,
Yeah.
it's loose.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
Yeah.
That. We'll fix it.
No, just for the next person.
난 별로 안 타겠는데?
왜요?
재미없는
그러면 저거 타요. 타요 다른 거.
아니야. 저거 탈까?
Yeah, 타세요. This is nice. 이게 85. So this is like in par with what, like the 850 GS.
GS. Yep. This is definitely from Moto Guzzi, a more off-road capable motorcycle.
This means all-terrain, right?
Pretty much, yeah.
TT?
Yep. Tutto terreno.
Tutto terreno.
Tutto terreno, correct. So that's why, compared to the Stelvio, the previous model that was a 1200cc, much bigger bike, heavier bike, and more, let's say, on-road capable than off-road. This, the configuration of the handlebar, the suspension,